Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechWit Solutions. I wanted to talk about AMC and also wanted to talk about the overall NASDAQ market. Let's go ahead and first start off with AMC. I've been getting a lot of positive feedback, not just with the amazing performance that AMC had yesterday. How many of you guys were up on AMC yesterday, right? We were up. I was up $14,000 when it comes down to how it performed during the extended hours, right? Today it does suck. It's down 4% on the day. It started off a little bit in the green, but pulled on back. And I wanted to show you guys, right? I want you guys to know that you're never alone, right? I am down $5,000. I have 3,400 shares. I don't know how all these other YouTubers talk about AMC, encourage you to hold, but never update you on what their holdings are, just on their green days, right? And this one of the things that I love showcasing is not just my green days, but I know for you guys, it's super helpful to understand that you're not alone on the red days. So I hope that I earn your thumbs up in this video and that maybe you can consider subscribing. One of the stocks that a lot of people have been following up with me on is my SQQQ position. A lot of people are asking, since it pushed up another 2% on the day, am I buying more? Did I already buy more? What's going on? I wanted to show you my overall position on my Fidelity platform. I am up a total since my purchase. I have 10,000 shares. 3.6% is what I'm up. So very light, right? $3,000 is what I've made so far. And I am planning to buy more today. And I want to explain to you why. This is not an encouragement for you to buy more. If anything, I would still wait for true confirmation. But one of the things that I really like is on the 4-hour time frame. One of the things that I need you guys to know is that SQQQ is a triple leveraged ETF. On top of that, it decays over time. This ETF, so you understand, is a NASDAQ short ETF. So when the NASDAQ market pulls back, this directly goes up. We've talked about it so many times. People love to ask, how can you make money when the market pulls on back? Why do you think I've sold a lot of my long positions as the NASDAQ market is at or was at all-time highs? Look at where the NASDAQ market is now. Do you guys remember I made a video 2-3 days ago when it hit all-time highs? I've been wrong many times before. I'm not here to pretend like I'm always perfect, right? But I feel like I approach it in a very conservative way. When the NASDAQ market hits all-time highs, I begin to buy a little bit of SQQQ, which is the inverse. This one, SQQQ, goes up when the NASDAQ market goes down. And now because we're trading below the EMA line on the 4-hour time frame, it's not just the first time. This is the second time, and now it got rejected off of the EMA line, right? It sold off, it pushed up, made lower highs, and is now selling off again. That was the confirmation that I was waiting for. A lot of people were asking, Ricky, did you buy more yesterday? Because yesterday we broke above EMA, but then today, at market open, we pulled on back. And we've done this multiple times where we push up and then we break right below. Push up, break right below. Push up, break right below. Same thing rejected, same thing rejected. So this is why I'm emphasizing that just because I took a position never means that you should as well. But I want you to understand why I'm adding more now. This time when it pulled on back, it didn't sell all the way back off. It found a support, it made higher lows, and it began to indicate signs of an uptrend. Now it made higher highs, and it's above EMA on the 4-hour time frame. And to keep it super simple, ignore the indicators, right? The price action. It's finally indicating signs of an uptrend. And once we get that confirmation, I like to add more. So I'll probably add more to the point where I'll have a total of $100,000 invested into SQQQ. What's my goal? My goal is to lock in profits at the SMA line. Am I holding this for a long period of time? People love to ask that. Is this an investment? No, no, no. I don't know what your plan is, and you don't need to tell me. You can share it with me in our Discord, on Instagram, but you don't need to. But I need you to know this is the biggest thing, is people just love to talk about how much potential their stocks offer, but never talk about the risk. I would rather talk to you about the risk. The NASDAQ market has been more bullish than bearish. So for you to think that this is a hold, this is an investment, no, this is a triple leverage ETF that decays over time. And it's a short ETF, right? So this thing is the inverse of what the overall NASDAQ market does. So you need to understand that this comes at a greater form of risk. You need to have an entry, exit, and stop loss plan. You need to manage your position size. And if you don't want to do any of that, then I would not take a position, right? If you are not in a position to trade these riskier ETFs, then don't put yourself in a position to fail. Do it with a dollar amount in which you can tolerate. It's that simple. So from when I decided to buy, so I'm up 3% as of right now, 3.5%. And from the SMA line, that offers about 11%. So in total, let's say that, I do a really good job locking in profits early. So although my goal might be to sell close to $10, I'll probably sell a lot sooner. So out of the, 14% potential that it has to offer, if I make 10%, I'd be more than happy with that. Why? Why would I lock in profits early? At the end of the day, I know that this overall ETF is more bearish than it is bullish, and keeping it that simple, I want to do my part in locking in profits. And again, the idea behind this, the reason why, I want to make money as the NASDAQ market pulls on back. That's my intention, right? So as the more the NASDAQ market bleeds, the more money I make on SQQQ, right? But what's next after that? I want you guys to know my plan. As the NASDAQ market pulls back, what pulls back as well? NASDAQ market has a big focus on tech stocks. Amazon, Facebook, Apple, Twitter, Tesla. So as this thing bleeds, those tech stocks will most likely follow. So as I make money off of SQQQ, I'll have money left on the side that I will begin to buy these blue chip stocks at a better deal and then ride the recovery. That's the plan. That's the goal to work towards. It doesn't have to always work out according to plan, but I want you guys to know the intent. The intent of why I'm taking a position on SQQQ as the market pulls back a little bit, why I'm encouraging you to wait for confirmation before you jump on in, and then why it's so important to have money left over on the side just in case the market does pull on back, that you're able to buy those for a better deal. Again, the only people that complain, the only people that freak out, the only people that get mad when the stock market pulls back, I'm not talking about a crash, but even during a crash, the only people that freak out or complain are the people that were not prepared. And ask yourself a very simple question. What steps can you take to prepare for a pullback? Having money left over on the side, selling a portion of your position to anticipate and tolerate a pullback. There's so many different ways on how to approach the market. I never want to pretend like there's one. All I'm ever here to encourage you to do is to have the best intention for your future self in place. So I hope that it earned your thumbs up in this video. Friendly reminder, you guys absolutely killed it with the new day trader mouse pad that we now have available on Shop TechBuds. This one's 35 inches by 15 inches. And if you guys want to pick one of these up, they're now available. Half of them have sold out. And of course, free shipping for everyone within the United States. And that is in the third link down in the description. If you guys want to watch me trade live every single day at market open, click the second link down below and we have a special coupon for you. If you're not ready for that and you simply want to join a free Facebook group, we have over 314,000 members, and that's that first link down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.